Welcome to another episode of the Soul Jamaica podcast. Right now, a big celebration for the Gaza, you know. And we want to say, right now, finally, the boss can see some bill and touch the road. You see it, get back to the business. People big up on yourself, viewers and subscribers. Don't know the thing set. Right now, be excitement in a dancehall. Also some drama. But right now, we have to speak about some good things that take place right now. Like Vybz Kartel get some great news right now, as the world can see. And everybody a cheer. And I say, yes, finally. It look right, like some light, a close. So basically right now, what go on, people, is two things can go on right now. Either a retrial or a dismissal. And most people right now around the world really I wish for a mistrial. Because one, a retrial would have cost a lot of money. And who knows if the state are going to want to go back through so much expense after 13 years. So big up to Vybz Kartel. And we have to wish the king the best. And know say life, that street, yeah, man, and man need for that road. I do have to do. You see it? People, let's get into some drama right now. Switch part FOOTA hype forward and I burn out walk and talk. Actually, I say right now, him not even a walk no more. I swim and talk. Don't know what go on, it no look good. Jeffrey party turning a fish fry. And it has been said that that party there a taboo up the thing. Artists not really associate themselves with a certain people. That's what really are going right now. So FOOTA hype I say basically the man them will perform have 24 hours for forward and make a public apology, basically. So any man who can't apologize for say them did go mess around and indulge in a the fish fry, them are gonna get burned out of the dancehall system. You understand? People, FOOTA hype I drop some things right now where I shock the world. FOOTA hype say the reason why Walk and Talk I put on so much weight. Them a give Walk and Talk juicy drink and I wrong juice them a give Walk and Talk for drink. Jaja. Pon up. Are them sitting there going around at people? FOOTA hype give Valiant Bishop Escobar 24 hours to clear them situation from that. You see me? Knowing Valiant and the humor Valiant have, Valiant probably laugh about it still. You see me? But the next thing again, people. This thing get weird, where you can use a next man fat and fry the whole dancehall. These are thing. You see me? People, when you not keep up on the fucker, if you keep it on yourself. Because I know everybody I got indulge or entertain certain things. You see it? Yeah. Right are right and wrong are wrong. And you have to remember this, Like the artist say, you can't take it back, You see it? And what many people have burn so much fire to Jeffrey and no problem with it. So FOOTA basically I said him can't rate nobody. We are mixed with that platform there. That day So this is what me want to know now. After the 24 hour, if the artist them not have a public apology, what go on? Them a go get burn out of music. So this wicked, this wicked. The man really I say, I no walking no more. I swim. And I say swim I put on a whole heap of weight like them breed swim. Boy, man, I tell you, a peer drama. So I wear Jeffrey when I think. When he must say them things the brethren. You have to remember in a brethren, the culture where you forward from, you know. You see it? They must say basically brethren, the man in act like a catty. Jaja. And now, for the things them with FOOTA hyper say, brother, you have to clean up on the thing. 2024, them a dirty up the thing. So FOOTA say, if a man them not forward and apologize to the people them, you might remove all the Valiant song them from the music library. Will that happen actually? We have to wait and see. You know, see it. But at the same time, still people, artists have to work and make them money to feed them family, because that's the whole thing them do music for. You see it, for perform, for the audience. But at this point it get tricky. The politics. It's a lot of things. You know, and it's right and wrong within everything. You understand? So I guess in a case like this, where them have a fish fry, them have to go find some fish artists and some bro, me don't know. That brother, me don't know what kind of party we now try to keep. But one thing me can say, we not try to mash up Jamaica here, sir. So Jamaica this. And no one nicer than yard. Know that. And know say our culture, our people love all around the world and gravitate to Jamaican and we style. People love that. You understand? And people love to know say we stand up for something and we believe in a something and actually take actions towards it. You understand me, David? Yeah. But some man still sometimes, brethren, like them get carried away by the lens of the camera. I mean, I don't know what go on. But as soon as the camera turn on, some people just get out of character right away. You see it? And them I get bent out of shape. Cause them I say such man I start bend up him hand and I go on some weird them thing that them I say, no. That wasn't manly at all. That was a feminine thing right there, so. So you have to just live with it, brother. That's it. So Jamaica, big up on yourself. Make sure to subscribe, smash it like, share, drop a comment. I wanna know say right now we are look forward to see Cartel get bail. We also see Muta burn out Isaac Buchanan, right? I say him never know say the boss I mix up in a gozo. That day is a thing. People run and nice. And as the seconds go by, the content them just a forward. When the seed say all no, that don't respond to nobody. What may they tell you say? That bigger than that. That don't have time for them things. You see me? But there's some people who don't know better or who just love the drama. I go entertain and feed into certain things. But you know better, you do better, you think better. Yeah, man. Smash that like and subscribe. Burn up.